Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we're going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to understand, break down, and analyze SKALE. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. Alright, what's up everybody? We are back here with another AI crypto review. Today, as you can see, we are going to be looking at and breaking down SKALE. SKALE fuels innovation, not gas fees. Say goodbye to slow transactions with high gas fees and hello to an invisible blockchain experience. Alright, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you are the type of person that really likes to understand a project before you go and throw your hard-earned money behind it. And so what I can promise you is that by the end of this video, you're not just going to have a very solid understanding of SKALE, the SKALE project as a whole, but you're going to understand each individual aspect of this project. So everything from the idea, the product, execution, adoption, community, and team, we're going to be breaking down, scoring, and you're going to really have a very full understanding of what it needs to succeed, what the competition is, and everything else. So as always, let's start out by jumping into the executive summary, finding out exactly what SKALE Network is all about. We can see that it is a blockchain platform designed to enhance the performance and scalability of dApps on Ethereum. It fits into the crypto ecosystem as a layer 2 scaling solution, working alongside Ethereum to increase transaction speeds and reduce costs. SKALE is tailored for developers and businesses seeking to build and deploy dApps with greater efficiency and reliability. The project addresses the significant problem of Ethereum's network congestion and high gas fees by providing an elastic and scalable network that can support thousands of independent blockchains, enabling faster and cheaper transactions. So that sounds, it's a scaling solution. What we're going to do now is jump into the idea and the product. We're going to be understanding the problem it's solving, the uniqueness by which it solves it, and then see the product itself. So we'll pause, come back, and look at the results here for idea and product. Okay, so we can see here 9.1 overall. For the idea, we can see that SKALE Network effectively addresses the critical and underexplored problem in the blockchain ecosystem, Ethereum's scalability and gas fees, by providing an innovative layer 2 solution. So this is really what, in essence, the project is based on. And then the uniqueness, the USP, is its ability to provide elastic side chains that significantly enhance the scalability and performance of Ethereum-based dApps. So there you have it, the problem and uniqueness. And then if we move into the product, we can see 8.7 overall. Scale Network's product is functional and user-friendly, meeting significant market demands. If we jump into the evidence and logic, we can see that the technical feasibility and scalability, well supported, market fit, addresses a critical market demand, as mentioned before. Comparative analysis, looking at optimistic rollups like ZK rollups, scales, elastic sidechains offer unique benefits, development progress, so on and so forth. So decent scores here off the bat, low 9s, high 8s. Let's move forward now and look at the execution and the adoption. Essentially for the execution, we're going to be looking at the team's ability to essentially follow their roadmap and basically ship things on time. How effectively do they execute on their vision is really what we are asking. And then fourth, we're looking at adoption. Essentially, we're going to be breaking down the on-chain metrics at the prompt right here. We're going to be looking at token holders, token holder growth, total active users, and total transactions to really give us an understanding of the adoption. Does it have sound tokenomics, and is the product being used? So we'll pause, come back, and look at execution and adoption. Okay, so we can see here 9 for execution, so they certainly delivered in that department. If we again jump into the evidence and logic, we can see a whole host of reasons that justify the 9.0 overall score there. Consistency, communication, evidence and marketing. So they are certainly a committed team behind it. Now the adoption, 6.8, so let down a little bit there on the adoption scores. We can see total holders and transactions indicate a stable but not exceptional level of market adoption. User engagement is positive but not at the highest level seen in the industry. So 6.8 overall there for adoption. Now moving forward, the final 2 metrics that we want to break down is the community and the team. Obviously with the community, we're going to be looking at the Twitter and the Telegram. We're going to be basically analyzing the engagement of the community and then also the sentiment of the community. So understanding, basically how much of a buzz, how much of a enthusiastic base is there behind this name. And then the team, obviously that's pretty self-explanatory. We want their backgrounds, what they're bringing to the team, their experience, so on and so forth. So we'll pause the video and then come back and look at the last 2, the community and the team. All right, so community, we see 7.8. So the engagement is strong, particularly on Telegram, with a significant number of active users and interactions. The project's Twitter presence shows moderate engagement with good follower count, but overall sentiment and engagement could be higher. So 7.8 there overall for the community. And then the team, we can see here, does the team have expertise? So 9 overall. We can see that the founder here and CTO has spent time in various institutions, Max Planck Institute, Los Alamos National Laboratory, and Stanford. So very comprehensive background there. And the other team members obviously also bring strong expertise to the table. So 9.0 overall for the team. So last thing we want to do is calculate the overall score, see what scale comes in at in total. So we will come back here and check that in. And then just looking at it technically, we can see, this was a crazy coin, how much it pumped, $1.20, and it is currently trading at 6 cents. So it's trading at a pretty significant discount, and that's after it's had its run here in early 2024. Honestly, technically though, it does look like, this is a big market structure top right here. It's on a weekly chart. It's just broken through this neckline. So it's bearish for the moment. I would be looking for a market structure on the other side of this trend line eventually. So we could be looking sort of end of the year 2025 if lucky. For me personally, when I'd be looking to buy, I'd be looking to get in sort of around 78.6 down here, or ideally down here at 88.6, or even this initial level right here. These always seem to be pretty important levels. You can see that there's what was strong resistance right there. That's how I'd personally be looking to play it. Let's see where it comes in overall. 8.38 for SKALE, and that is a review. So if you got some value, go ahead and hit that like button. That certainly helps the channel. And if you would like to join our community, our free community, where we explore how to use AI to achieve alpha in the markets, go ahead and join. The link will also be in the description. Other than that, again, hope you got some value, and I will see everybody in the next video.